y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K Simone back and live with another freaking video, girl. So yes, I've been gone for a couple of days or whatever. Okay, so basically we're gonna go ahead and get back into this updated brow tutorial for you guys. If you guys don't already know, your girl already did one eyebrow, so that means I'm gonna go ahead and slay the other one for you guys on camera. So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. To make sure you turn on your post notifications to always be notified when I post. Okay. So basically, what I used to prime my brows before I started, I used my toner first. And this is my Witch Hazel from Dickinson. Girl, Kroger. Got this stuff from Kroger. I got this from Kroger. It's the Aveeno Positively Radiant Night Cream. And I use this for moisturizer. I use my Stay Matte Rimmel London primer to dry my eyebrows out, to mattify them because I do sweat underneath my brows and on top of my brows. And I use my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser to any visible pores on my eyebrow lines, fine lines underneath my brows, on top of my brows. So without further ado, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. Make sure to turn on all your post notifications to always be notified when I post. You guys, in the next month or two, let's get my channel to 120 subscribers. Like, I really want to grow with you guys more and more and more. So make sure you tell your niece, nephew, cousin, grandma, niece, cat, dog, mama, daddy, sister, brother, plane, car, garage, I don't care. Tell them all to subscribe because your girl finna be lit all 2018. So let's get started with the eyebrow tutorial. Basically, I'm going to be taking my spoolie. And basically, first thing you want to do when it comes to any eyebrow is you want to, like I said before, it's moisturize. Moisturize your face to make sure you got the base you want. After that, you're going to go in with your spoolie. And you're basically going to be brushing the eyebrows in the direction you want them to go. Since I want them to go this way, I'm going to brush this way. Sorry for this little piece of hair back here, girl. I don't know what's going on. Okay, but anyways, we're going to brush them this way because this is the way I want them to go. So we're going to brush them this way. And we're going to be taking two different, we're going to be taking the eyebrow pencil and the eyebrow powder. Now, I've had this thing for a year, you guys. So I'm going to be using this eyebrow powder right here. Excuse me. And I'm going to be taking this NYX eyebrow pencil in 818 dark brown. So first I'm going to be taking this powder, this eyebrow pencil, sorry, and I'm basically going to be let me move you guys up. I'm basically going to be taking this mirror that I got from Dollar Store, I believe, and I'm basically going to be lining my eyebrows. So yes, I do tilt my head. I like to start at the wing part, kind of at the back of my brow. And as you guys can see, you do not have to draw much on there. Like, this stuff right here glides on like crack, okay? Okay. So now that we got that part in, you guys, we're going to go back in with my spoolie. I don't know why I'm going to say smoothie. Spoolie. And we're going to take the spoolie, good God. We're going to be taking the spoolie and we're basically going to be fixing all of that harsh lines of the eyebrow pencil. Like I said before, I don't really like to. The key thing is, you guys, you don't have to be so rough when drawing your eyebrow line. Like, you don't have to get rough. Like, it's not a fight, okay? You don't have to draw them on like you coloring a coloring book. Just be patient, work with it. Your eyebrows gonna work with you. So right now they not working with me. So we gotta fix this one to make it look like how this one is laid. So we're gonna go in with this eyebrow powder I just told you guys about. And basically, y'all, we just gonna fix this, okay? Like I said before, y'all gotta work with your brows. Train your brows, okay? You can't just wake up the next day thinking, oh yeah, I'm finna have arched eyebrows today because I followed K Simone's tutorial, or my eyebrows gonna be slayed because I follow her tutorial. Sweetheart, no. It took me a while to master how I wanted my brows to. Trust and believe, my eyebrows was being disrespectful. They would not work with me. Like, you guys, I came a long freaking way with these brows. So the issue why I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys the issue why I draw on a extra little space up here is because, like I said before, I let this lady arch my eyebrows and she really messed them up. So in order to let them grow out, in order for me to be able to film this video for you guys, I had to add extra space up here for a brow. So yes, you guys, your girl does have eyebrows, but this one is a little thinner than this one is and doesn't have much hair. So I had to really make some hair. So now we're going to be going back in with this kit. And we're basically going to be filling this gap in. All of these harsh lines, you guys, they will not be here. So just bear with me while I get this together, okay? So I'm going to take this again and we're just going to fix this little patch right here. I know you guys can see it. So we're just going to fix it. Now, something I like to do, you guys, when my eyeshadow is too light, like, well, not eyeshadow, but when my eyebrow pencil is too light, I like to take a black mascara. And I like to just go in and, like, sorry, guys, I'm back. I had to go and get the appropriate mascara. So we're going to be taking this, and basically we're just going to taking a little, like, this color just to fill in this gap right here, you guys, because I know you're looking at me like, what in the heck is she doing? But when I sit here and put the concealer on, I'm gonna explain everything. Well, I'm explaining it. Okay, so I know I look crazy right now, but let's go ahead and line my brows. Everything looks better with a little concealer, okay? Kayla got y'all. I ain't gonna let y'all go out bad like that. So we're just going to line it. Girl is not trying to get copyrighted. They don't play about that type of stuff. So now here's a trick I'm gonna give y'all real quick. This concealer is creamy, right? So watch how fast it starts to dry. As soon as I put it on, it cakes up like it's about to dry. So we about to wet. We're going to set my brush with my Smashbox primer water, and we're just going to wet it up a little bit. And we're basically about to blend this out, because when it starts to dry, you guys, let me give you a little hack. When you buy a certain concealer, you will know this how it is on your skin. So you're going to know if it cracks, you're going to know if it creases, you're going to know if it's the perfect concealer for you when you do your makeup. If you put it underneath your eyes, or if you're just using it for your eyebrows, you're going to know this how it starts to crease up. So once it starts to crease up, me personally, I no longer want to use it, for the simple fact that I know for a fact it's not working for my skin. So you got to give it a break. So yeah, I'm no longer going to use it if it starts to mess with my skin. So now that is that, I'm still not done. I still have some blending to do, but we're going to go ahead and move on to the top, because I want to show you guys how I'm going to make this one look like this one. Even though this one right here needs a little more work than this one, because this just doesn't have any hair over here. So you guys, bear with me. So we're going to just be taking some concealer and outlining the brow, you guys. See how it's outlined on the end? It's cut really good. Go ahead and line the front of the brow as well. Or with the remaining concealer, just swipe that on up here. Like I said before, guys, any concealer you use, sweep it up. Do not sweep it down. Sweep it up because it's easier. It's easier to clean if you sweep it up. So sweep it upward. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out. All of this brow color, pull it out to the front so it can look like our other brow over here. It's gonna take a while, but now we're gonna go ahead and take our concealer brush and we're just going to blend everything out, okay? Everything has to be blended out. And you notice how, guys, it's really light up here. It's really light up here. We're gonna take this concealer from Morphe. I did an unboxing on this, so if you haven't watched the video, make sure to watch it. We're going to put like maybe 3 to 4 dots. Let's do 4. And this is going to cancel out all that whiteness. So with this, you really have to make sure you blend everything out, okay? This is going to like be the color on the top of your brows. So you're going to have to blend. So we looking like something. We getting there. The brush that I use. And basically we're going to make sure that everything on top of your brows is really good and cleaned up. Taking our spoolie brush and just pulling some of this out because you don't want it to look different than your actual brow. So that is it for this tutorial. We're going to set our brows with this primer water. Ooh. So now that my brows is done, you guys, that is it for my updated eyebrow tutorial. Make sure to like, YouTube channel, you guys. Follow your dreams. Follow any dreams. Like I said before, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe.